to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jenny and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel every single week. And today I'm gonna start a new series. I'm excited and I'm kind of nervous. This is gonna be a series on new 2020 trends. And okay, so I've been looking at all the trends for 2020 and what is happening? I'm so confused. Okay, so I was born in the 80s. I went through the 90s as a young person, and I suppose that that is happening again. So anyway, this series is going to be about how to make some of these 2020 trends wearable and affordable so that you can be a part of them and do them wearably. I don't know. Anyway, so tons of trends are coming back around. There is puff sleeves are coming back, and mom jeans, and neon colors, and scrunchies, and it's crazy. So anyway, I'm gonna do this series on how to affordably move into 2020 and wearably move into 2020. So anyway, today we're gonna start off with this new puff sleeve trend. I'm gonna show you guys some wearable ways to do this puff sleeve trend. I actually really love statement sleeves and puff sleeves. Anyway, I'm kind of excited about this trend, but on the runway there were some sleeves that were like bigger than people's heads. I mean, it was kind of insane. And so anyway, I'm gonna show you guys some really fun and affordable ways to do a statement sleeve. So if that sounds like something that you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay, all right, so my first statement sleeve trend thing that I'm gonna share with you guys is this really adorable shirt from Amazon with the hearts and stripes on it. I don't know if you can see the stripes from where I'm standing. This is sort of like a pinstripe. It almost looks chambray from kind of far away, but it's not. It's just like a really, it's one of those weird materials. Sorry about these nails, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is just, let's just move on from it. Anyway, this is a really adorable shirt that I got from Amazon. If I haven't said this already, everything will be linked down below in the description box. But I really like this. This is a good workwear shirt, and I think it's really adorable for summer, moving into summer. I love the blue color. I showed this to my daughter. She was like, I love the hearts. I love the stripes. I don't like the big shoulders. So this is the trend though. Statement sleeves are coming in big for 2020. And there is a wearable way to wear statement sleeves. So I've shown a few on my channel already, and I will insert some clips in a little bit of some of the statement sleeves that I've already shared on my channel. But statement sleeves don't have to be like huge and crazy like they were in New York Fashion Week on the runways and things like that. They can be sort of cute and bubbly, and they also don't have to be puff sleeves. I will share in a second a couple of other statement sleeves as well. But I just loved this because I thought these were cute and wearable, and I love sort of the summer vibe of this shirt. I live in Texas, so I'm not gonna get a lot of wear out of long sleeve puff sleeves. I will for a little bit longer, but not a huge amount of time. But I do love these sort of short sleeved little puff sleeves, and I thought this one was adorable. It does come in a couple of other colors as well, but I especially loved this blue. I thought this was so cute and summery. So I have it paired here with my white Walmart jeans. These aren't available anymore. These are the Time and True jeggings, but Sofia Vergara does have some really adorable white jeans out right now, and I will link those down below. And these are just my Old Navy booties, which I will link as well. So I just think this makes an adorable, wearable sort of workwear or brunch or whatever. I think this is so cute. Okay, this next one I love because the statement sleeve isn't quite as bold as the last one, but I love this adorable little peplum eyelet detail on this shirt. And this one is also from Amazon, and I'm wearing, I think, an extra small here. It fits pretty true to size. And the eyelet peplum goes all the way around. I just kept it on with my Walmart jeans here. And this little sleeve, puff sleeve is kind of a little bit less intense than the blue one, but it still makes a statement. Has this adorable little button detail at the top. These are not like real buttons, so they don't open or anything like that, but it's got the square neckline. This is just so cute for summer. Would also be, if you wear something underneath it, I have just a white tank top underneath, so you can't really like tell a difference between where my jeans stop and my white tank begins. But you could wear like a nude cami underneath this if you wanted to. This would be also cute for workwear if it's appropriate for your office. And I just really love this. This is perfect for summer. This is another one where when I took it out of the package, I wasn't sure, what I was gonna think of it, but I love the color. It came in a few other colors as well, but I really, really like this. I like the material of it. It's really light and airy. So perfect for Texas weather, because in the summer it's going to be just crazy hot. But I love this. I love the way it lays on me. I love the way it looks. And I do love, I can get on board with the statement sleeve trend if it's not too crazy. So this is something that I would totally wear that I think looks adorable on. I love the eyelet detail. I have a few eyelet shirts that I'm really excited to wear this summer that I wasn't able to wear last summer. So I'm really excited. And I think this one looks really good. I threw it on with my nude pumps from Target. I will link those down below as well. And I think this is a great way to incorporate this trend without kind of going overboard. So this is a great option. Okay, and this one is just so adorable. I love this last shirt. I have a couple of other long sleeved options to show you as well, but this one is too adorable. This one is more of like a sheer top with the floral pattern. It's got this high-necked sort of ruffle top, and then the statement sleeve is a little bit less, this is the smallest statement sleeve of the bunch, but I love that it has sort of the little ruffle here, and then it has the ruffle sleeve. This ruffle sleeve is a little bit tight. You might want to size up one. I'm wearing, I think, an extra small here, possibly a small, but this came in tons of colors. So this came in like a yellow floral and a blue floral, and all different colors of florals. There were several options. This was the one that I liked the best. I loved this sort of dark pink and green floral. I thought this was so beautiful. It reminded me of like my grandma's house or something. I don't know, I just loved it so much. But I absolutely love this. It's so lightweight, perfect for summer, but you could totally get away with it by throwing a cardigan over it outside if you wanted to. But I just adore this. I threw it on with my Sofia Vergara jeans. These are super inexpensive from Walmart. And then these are by Time and True. They're Time and True slides in the pink studded, which are really inexpensive too. I'm not sure if these are still available, but if they are, I will link them. If not, I will link something similar to these. But this is just an easy outfit with such an adorable way to incorporate this 2020 statement sleeve trend into your wardrobe. Inexpensive and beautiful. What a gorgeous top this is. I just love this top so much. So super adorable and very, very affordable. All right. Another great way to incorporate a statement sleeve is a bubble sleeve like this. So this sweatshirt or this sweater I got from a sale site, and then after I shared it, I looked forever trying to re-find this and I couldn't find it, but I am linking down below one from Amazon that is very similar and super adorable. And actually I kind of wish that I would have gotten that one, but I love a bubble sleeve, and I'll share a couple of other bubble sleeves that I've already tried on. I'm not going to try them on again in this video, but I'm going to link, or I'm going to add in a clip of me trying them on. And this is a great way to incorporate a statement sleeve trend for 2020. It's not going to be like the bubble sleeve trend, but it is a statement sleeve, which is also, part of the trend. So statement sleeves come in all shapes and sizes, and this is a great way to incorporate that trend. I love bubble sleeves. I love the way they look and how they're very flattering and adorable, and this sweater is just so cute. I tried to wear this sweater today and my husband was like, you have some fuzz on your shirt, and you know, he's totally not fashionable, so whatever, he doesn't know what he's talking about. But this is one of my favorite sweaters. I love pom-poms and I love pink, which I know you guys know that, but this is a great way to incorporate the bubble sleeve or the statement sleeve trend. So I still have on my Sofia Vergara jeans, and then these are some snakeskin loafers from Walmart. These are only $14. They're amazing. And so I will link these as well. They come in a couple of other colors too. These snakeskin are my absolute favorite. They go with so many things. So this is another great way to incorporate this trend. Okay, this next one is one I did in a Walmart haul recently. I will link that down below if you didn't see it. But this little shirt is by Love Sadie, which is a brand from Walmart. And it's not steamed in this video, which I did mention when I was filming this video, but it does have the bubble sleeves and is perfect for spring. It's very lightweight. It's got the beautiful blue and the white flowers on it, and these sleeves, when they're steamed, are a beautiful bubble sleeve. So they are perfect for this trend and perfect for spring and summer. So I definitely recommend this one. It will be linked down below as well, and it is so flattering on all different sizes and shapes. This is a great one for this trend. Okay, this dress is one of my favorite things that I've ever purchased. It's so gorgeous, and this one has a different kind of statement sleeve. This is not a bubble or a poof sleeve, but it is a statement sleeve, so I did want to include it. It's got these beautiful sort of drapey sleeves on it. And this one is from Walmart. It's by the Time and True brand. So this brand does run a little big. I'm wearing a size small here. And so it does kind of hang a little big on me, but I kept this dress and I absolutely love this dress. I think it's gonna be my Easter dress this year, but the sleeves are sort of a bell sleeve almost on the top. They're like a short bell sleeve, and they are gorgeous. And I definitely think that these go with the trend because they are not a normal sleeve that you would normally see on a dress like this. They're sort of just different. And so I'm including this just because I think that it does go with sort of a statement sleeve trend. It is a little bit different, and this dress is just so gorgeous and just, I love it. It comes in a leopard print as well, and so I wanted to include this for you guys to see. Okay, and this last dress also has the bubble sleeve thing that the other sweater had, and so I added it here. This is something I shared in my Valentine's Day video, and I absolutely love this dress. It's almost sort of like a sweater dress, and it has these beautiful bubble sleeves. And so it definitely works for this trend as well. It's not sort of the puffy shoulder sleeves, but it definitely works with the bubble sleeve. And so I absolutely loved this dress. Very affordable. It's under $30 on Amazon, and it is gorgeous. It comes in a few different colors as well. I'm about 5'3", and so it's a perfect length on me, which I never find. And so I paired it here with some Walmart booties, and these booties are just gorgeous. I love them. They worked perfectly, and they're very affordable as well. And so this dress is just beautiful, and I love that it fits so well with this 2020 trend. All right, guys, we survived our first in the series of how to make 2020 style work for you. It was statement sleeves. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos. I am gonna do a tie-dye video, you guys. It's happening and it's gonna be so fun. So if you wanna see that and my other 2020 trends videos, then please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of those. And if you wanna shop any of these clothes that you saw in today's video, then in the description box down below, if you're on mobile, there'll be like a little arrow you can click I have everything linked down there for you to shop. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.